Welcome to Programming Hub. This is Tehsin Akhtar going to explain one more program based on the number. Now, I am going to explain a special number. So, what a special number is and how to write programming of a special number by using Java language. So, the special number are the number whose each digit factorial's sum is equals to the number itself or original number. So assume number as 145. So if you find the factorial of 1 plus factorial of 4 plus factorial of 5, then it become 145. So factorial means the product of all the numbers from 1 to that number. So factorial of 1 is 1, factorial of 5 is 120, and factorial of 4 is 24, I think. 1 into 2 into 3 into 4, 1 2 2, 2 2 2 3 6, 6 4 24, and factorial of 5 is 120. So if you add all this value, then you will get 145. Sometime you call it Krishnamurti number also, but in general we use the term a special number. So you got the definition. Then how to write program in Java? So first you think and set the agenda, what exactly you have to perform. Then you become a good programmer, or even I can say the best programmer. So first you need to input the value. After that you have to store this value in another variable. Why I told earlier? Because you have to compare with the original value, and you know whenever you have to compare in digit extraction with the original value, then you must copy the value, otherwise the original value becomes 0. And then you need to take two extra variables, first to find the factorial and second to find the sum of this factorial. So three additional variables you need to take. First to copy the value, second find the factorial, and third to performing the addition process. And after that, how you will perform all these things? You think the code sequence. So first you need to extract digit from number, and when you extract digit, then you need to find out the factorial, and after finding the factorial you need to find the sum, and if all the operations completed, then you need to check original number as well sum is equal or not, and if equal, then display message a special number, otherwise not a special number. So digit extraction you perform by using while loop, and factorial finding process you perform by using for loop. So two loops required here. Why? So while will extract digit, and when digit already extracted, then you perform the factorial finding process, and when you got the factorial, then after outside the inner loop you perform the addition process in outer loop, and all the activities you need to write within inner and outer loops block, and when the entire process completed, then come outside the loop block, then check the condition, then close the class and main and class respectively. In this way you perform the testing process for a special number. So by using a scanner class you perform this operation. So you know, first you need to import java.util.asterisk terminator package, because util package having the scanner class. Then need to declare class. So class declaration by using class keyword, class and name as special. So you use any name here. Then main method declaration, curly bracket open, main method declaration, once again curly bracket open, then scanner class. Scanner sc equal new scanner within bracket, you know, system dot in. Then put their message to make code more readable. So system.out.println, right here enter a number, number. So already prompting completed here. Then you need to input number. I already told the sequence: first input, then declare variable, then extract by using while loop, then find factorial by using for loop, then add up, and after the finishing all these operation you check the value. So input number you need to write int a equal to sc dot next int parenthesis terminator, then you copy the value int b equal to a, so a copied in b, comma s equal to 0. As I told, we need two variables, but I declare here only one for only addition process. So the another variable I am going to declare inside loop. So you may declare outside, but the best thing is to declare inside. Why? Because every time you need to find the factorial of different digits. So factorial of 1 is 1, but factorial of 4 is 24. Then you need to find the factorial of 5 in 145. So factorial of 5 is 120. So if you product the number from 24, then answer will be wrong. So you need to make this variable once again 1. So every time you complete the factorial of a particular digit, then you need to make the variable 1. That's why I not declared variable here. I'm going to declare inside loop. So whenever loop will execute, it will make them automatically 1. So if you declare outside, then you need to write once again f equal to 1. So now digit extraction process, while a greater than 0, every time we are writing the same statement. Now digit extraction is step in d equal to a mod 10 terminator. You know, mod will extract the last digit and store in d, and after that you need to perform the factorial finding process int f equal to 1. So why I'm using here 1? Because we have to perform here product operation. So you may declare this variable outside the while loop, but I am declaring inside. Why? I already told earlier. Then factorial finding a step by using for loop. For int I equal to 1, I less than equal to d. So factorial of any number is product of all the number from 1 to that number. So I am starting loop from 1, and we need to find the factorial of d. That's why 1 to d, and then I plus plus, because it will increase value by 1. Then find the factorial f equal to f into I. So if you product I with f, then you got the result as factorial. Then close the loop. So we are writing only one statement inside for loop, so no need to open curly bracket for loop, but it's okay. So there is no any problem you face later. That's why I open here curly bracket. Then perform the addition process, s equal to s plus f. So I already find the factorial sum, and then loop, you need to execute the outer loop. You know, to execute outer loop you need to write a equal to a by 10 terminator, and then close the outer loop. So I already performed the maximum operations. Then you need to test the condition. So for testing, use if original number means b equal sum, then number is a special. So write the message system 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 dot out dot println within bracket within double quotes a special number. You may write code like first you display the value like numbers, so b plus, and then write here is a special number. So no need to write in this way, but it's more attractive than the earlier code. Then copy the value and write the else part and paste the value, and mention here is not a special number. So in this way you are able to write. Then close the main method and then class. So able to write the special number program. Then save the file in a specified location. So I'm going to use your file name as special, and then save it. So open DOS window and then compile and execute. So for compilation process you need to write javac special.java So code compiler, no error. Then execute the program, write Java and class name I also used here special. Then press enter. They ask for a number, then put 145. 145 is a special number. Then check another number, 25. So 25 is not a special number. So in this way you are able to write the programs for a special number. So please subscribe, share, and more watch my channel Programming Hub for the programs based on Java. Thank you for watching this video.